Huh? This is so nice. Okay. But you look like a hiker. Well, duh. Listen, Yanni. Ah! Oh crap! You should listen to it right now, dude. It's so good. And the thing. This is the waterfall way. I don't know. It thought. Oh, okay. Awesome. So it's just gonna take us. Where's it? I don't know. Sick of hiking, dude. But yeah, I thought it was like up there somewhere. Or do you think this trail would take us around it?
It takes us there. No. It's that way.
Yeah. Wait, it's locked though. See, there's a fence.
For cars, we can walk, right? Yeah, we can walk.
Okay, let's go over there then. But that's the right way. Come on.
It is?
Yeah, it is.
Let's go to it too.
It was left. It's up there.
It is?
Yeah, don't you remember we started from the bottom, then we got up top?
So how come
We didn't go over here.
how come it's so big?
Because we're supposed to go around it. But come on.
Yeah?
Yes, let's go. Come on. Come on. Yes, I'm sure. Come on. But hurry up. No. This way's stupid.